stop reaching out to cold leads, because you can find hundreds of hot leads mentioning your product on social media and reach out to them with an automation that I'll show you how to set up in just a couple of minutes. We'll use Buska to find people talking about our product and reach out to them using Salesforge, because Salesforge allows unlimited outreach on LinkedIn and email. So in Buska, what you want to do is sign up. It will basically search the web to find people talking about your product. So as you can see, you first choose a keyword, then anytime someone talks about your keyword, Buska finds them for you and you just engage, right? So let's set it up. Keyword intent, companies looking for social media content, let's say, website URL, continue, select the platforms you want to track. Let's say LinkedIn, Twitter. Let's select all of them, of course, why not, right? Continue, download the Chrome extension, continue, name your team, continue, finish. Here we go. We right away see all the mentions of the keyword we want to track. People talking about UGC, the sentiment, the channel, all of that stuff, right? What we can do then is go to the leads profile and reach out to them, or go to the dashboard and see all mentions. This way you'll see everyone mentioning your product. Here you export the leads. You can export them to Clay to enrich their email profiles, LinkedIn URLs, and then go to Salesforge. And in Salesforge, you would go to multi-channel. This is what we're going to use to actually reach out to the leads we found mentioning our product. We click add sequence and we set up our sequence. The sequence will start off with email, send the initial email to the prospect, then send a follow-up email, and again one last follow-up email. Now if we don't get an answer up until now, what the automation will do is then request a connection request for the lead. And if the connection request is accepted, what we'll do is send a message. Again, we're sending the same outreach message with the same follow-ups. With this simple automation we set up, we'll reach out to all the leads Buska has found through email, and then if they do not reply, we'll reach out to them on LinkedIn. This way we maximize the chance of getting a reply. Now you can set it up even further. You can add steps to view the profile before sending the connection request. You can send more follow-up emails. You can add withdraw connection requests so LinkedIn doesn't limit you, all of that good stuff. But once you build your sequence, this is where you upload the contacts you enriched with Clay or any other software, maybe LeadsForge, whatever you're using, and you upload leads right here. Once you do that, you'll go to the sender's profile and update your sender's profile or create it. Well, the sender profile is basically a collection of all the profiles you'll use for outreach, so the email mailboxes and LinkedIn accounts you use for multi-channel outreach. So connect all of them right here. You just select the mailboxes you want to use. If you have not connected them previously, you can do that in Salesforge in mailboxes and connect your LinkedIn account. Once that's done, you create the sender profile and you'll go to adjust the settings. In settings, usually what I do, I just turn on plain text only and I keep everything the same. You should adjust the time zone to your prospect time zone though. And that's it. You launch the sequence, and right now we have an active sequence that finds leads mentioning your product or keyword that you're interested in. It enriches those leads with their email and LinkedIn profile and any other information that you need and reaches out to them on LinkedIn and email. Now, if this is not enough to you, or you want to automate this all together without lifting a finger, I suggest you take a look at the video where I showcase how Agent Frank works. Agent Frank is an AI SDR that does everything from zero. It sets up your infrastructure, finds leads for you, reaches out with personalized messages, handles the conversations and objections, and books the sales call all for you. I talk a lot more in depth in this video, so check it out.